Hey guys, Damien here from 239 Lips, and right now we're fishing here at Punta Gorda, Florida. As you can see, we're fishing the lights. It's kind of dark right now, and I have Jonathan here with me. And we've been fishing for a little while. I hooked up to one. Maybe you guys see that later. But yeah, we're a new YouTube channel based out of Punta Gorda, Florida, Cape Coral, all that. We're fishing all Florida water, saltwater fresh. And you know, just stick tuned to the journey, and we're gonna catch more fish. So I'm gonna pass you Jonathan here so he can introduce himself.
All right. What's up, y'all? It's Jonathan back here. So if you want to see the fish that Damon just hooked up to a few minutes ago, it's going to be on our Instagram, 239lips. Make sure y'all follow that. It's going to be linked in the description for sure. And we're going to keep fishing.
All right, you're good.
Ready? All right, I think I have one. He's walking with it.
Oh shit.
Yes, that's one.
Hey, that's him. That's him.
Yes, that's one.
Where you at?
Fuck, man. He's flying.
Oh. Jump in. There you go, Damon. Keep him low. Keep him low.
Ah, he's digging.
There you go. There you go. Flip him. Flip him. Flip him.
Flip or die.
Good stuff.
Let's go.
There you go.
Damn.
All right. So I think Damon said he feeling something. So I'm gonna go.
He's like right here, too. He's walking up there.
That's not.
Yeah. That's a small, tiny dude.
Yeah.
Tiny. Look at him. Guys, look how beautiful this is right now. Look, show him the water.
Yeah, the water's nice and clear. Little guy.
Flip or die.
Flip him.
That's a tiny one. It's not even a pound, guys. But you know, it's all about the experiences when you're catching these fish. Look at that hook set, though. Nice one, guys.
Little guy.
My second fish of the night. Oof, he's feisty a little. Come on, open up for me. Feisty, guys. Guys, comment what's your worst pet peeve while fishing. That'll be one of them, guys.
That's your worst pet peeve.
Oh, damn. That hook's in there, guys. But you know, we get it through. Got it.
All right. Hold on, let me step back real fast.
Small fish, guys, but you know, nothing serious. A lot of gar out here, guys. So if you catch one tonight, don't be surprised.
Might have to snag him.
Yeah. All right, guys. Sorry for the release, but this is the only way we can get down there today. Oh, that guy's ready to go.
He's gone.
We'll be back together in another video. Another fish.
But yeah, as I was saying, we're this channel is mostly about like just fishing, just getting outdoors really. So we're gonna be fishing like salt, fresh, brackish, anything that we could really get our hands onto. So, you know, we're gonna keep fishing and we'll keep y'all updated on whatever we catch today.
All right. So I guess Damon,
Guys, I think I have a gar on.
he think he might have a gar.
Look, he's peeling the line, guys. Look at that. Look at the reel. Look at the reel.
Yeah, he's taking him.
Okay, guys.
All right, be ready. All right, close the bell.
Like,
You're learning.
all right.
All right. Oh! Dang, that's crazy.
Damn, guys.
It's crazy. He broke you off?
Nah.
Took your worm?
Guys, I have a little leader. It's not too nice, but show them the rig.
Leader, no weight.
Yeah, you know, just
Regular.
Guys.
Yep. Go put on.
Jonathan has the same thing on tonight. And, you know, right now I'm throwing the Zoom garlic. I made my friend, Jonathan actually made these homemade. He's like my homemade bait maker, guys. These are the black Zooms. All these garlic on them, but that's what the gar love. So that's what the fish love. I mean, that's what we gotta put the light on real quick. Let me show you how I'm hitting these guys. Not the prettiest, but that.
This. It's what works out here.
Oh man, I'm making a whole mess. All right. Yeah, guys. Tell me what your favorite bait is in the comment section. And we'll be back to you guys when we catch another fish. All right, guys, we're back. Jonathan has a little gar on. Oh, a nice sized gar, not a little. Right there, fishing on top. Yeah, let's see if we can't get a nice fish. Where's he at? Oh! Guys, yeah. We've been doing that all night with these gar, guys. But me and Jonathan think we're going to get some live bait on and see if we can do magic. All right, see you guys when we catch some fish. Jonathan has one on. Jonathan has a nice gar on. Jonathan, you have a gar on, sir?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Jonathan.
Yeah, look at him.
Oh, that's a nice gar.
All right.
All right, guys. I'm gonna put the light down for a little bit, guys.
Yeah, for real.
And then,
Hold up. Let's see what I can do here.
nice gar, guys.
Just try to flip him.
Flip it die. Fast. Come on, guys, come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
That's huge.
Let's go, guys. Put him in the light. Put him in the light. Put him in the light. There we go. Nice gar, guys. Oh, look at that hook set, though. Watch out. Put him a little over here. Good shit, Jonathan.
Guys, I actually did it. What is it called? The weedless. Because we were putting weedless on, and they were just getting right off the weedless. Oh, he just got off hooked.
Yeah, talking about off hook, guys.
Yeah, that's good. Easier for us. But yeah.
Can you pick him up, you think? Or no?
Yeah, here, hold this.
All right.
I'll try to get him. All right, yeah.
Grab him right behind the head. Right behind the head. They're like a gator. Look at the gator. And if you think it's too wild, just let him go. Fuck it.
Yeah, for real, off the set. All right.
Closer, 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 closer. All right, guys. Well, that's Jonathan's fish. We're gonna get a picture with this guy.
Yeah, for sure. We're gonna get a
Right
picture.
now. Look, I could do it to the video.
Guys, another thing is, these guys have crazy amounts of power. I hooked up to him. He took me out a little bit, and I had to tighten up my drag so I could pull him back in.
Yes, sir.
And look at the teeth on him.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, let him go. Let him go. All right, guys.
All right, we'll be back with some other fish.
All right, guys. Jonathan just hooked onto a little bass.
We'll flip him on right now.
Come on, flip or die. Sorry for how we couldn't get the video, guys. But put him down. Put him down.
It was kind of, we caught him like right up
Yeah,
against the shore, so we really couldn't get the video.
that's a nice bass, guys. That's like a good pounder or so. I mean, sorry for the judging of the weight, guys, but you know, I'm just going by whatever. That's not even
Whatever
probably.
we see.
Yeah, probably not a pound. But Jonathan with his second fish of the night. Right now it's 2-2, guys. I mean, it's no competition or anything. We're just
Just trying to get him in.
Yeah, keeping track of what's going on.
Yeah, I think
As you can see, guys, we're using a flashlight right now.
think he's good.
Nice bass.
Nice, like a pound.
Yeah.
Maybe a pound and a half.
Or not even a pound, depending.
Yeah.
All right.
Good fish.
We caught him here in the dark, guys. You can see his row of lights. And
We're off the lights,
we're
fishing
fishing
off
in the
bank.
dark. Let
It's like 1 in the morning right now.
that sucker free. Yeah, it's probably 1 in the morning right now. But you know, we had nothing else to do at the house, so why not come out with a line?
All right, sorry for this bad release, but
Yeah.
it's the only way we could do it. There you go.
That guy's gone. All right, guys. Jonathan.
2-2.
2-2. Let's get it. All right, guys. The day just finished. I mean, it's not finished, but we're just going back home because we're kind of tired. You can hear it in my voice. Me and Jonathan ended up getting we caught 3 bass in total. I caught 2 bass. Jonathan caught 1 gar and 1 bass. I mean, it's not a bad night at all, guys, from an unplanned trip like that. So we're going to have more videos coming up. Maybe Eastmont's going to be in the next one. We'll see. But, yeah, guys. Jonathan, you have anything to say to the camera?
Here, hold on. This. Well, so yeah.
Guys, enjoy this clip of me and Jonathan doing some dumb stuff like always. But, you know,
All right.
to every good video comes its difficulties. But
Starting
me and
now,
Jonathan
you're gonna call this shit
got
out.
over this little speed bump here. And just keep watching.
All right. So, yeah, today was a good day of fishing. I caught a gar and a bass, and Damon did catch 2 bass. Make sure you go on our Instagram at 239_lips. Follow us. The link will be in the description. Like some of our pictures. Some of the fish that we caught this weekend that isn't in this video will be up, so you guys can go check out how our weekend went. It was super jam-packed. We caught a lot of fish, so make sure y'all go check us out at 239lips. Again, it's going to be in the description. And that's it.
Peace out,
I
guys.
think we're done.